This turned out so good, but I feel like I made a Ford ad. It feels like I made a Ford ad. I don't know. But this was a lot of fun. Thanks, Sean, for taking me out there. This is actually the first time I've gone like real 4x4ing too. And I gotta say, it was a lot of fun. Hopefully we'll get to do it again. And it was super cool flying the FPV drone out there, following his truck, because some of those shots turned out really epic. And I'm really stoked on how this turned out. So yeah, cool. This was a fun little video of doing some 4x4ing and getting to use all my gear. I used my Avada, I used my Mini 3, and then my main camera here to make this. And yeah, it turned out really good, and I'm really stoked on it. So hopefully you guys think so too. If you have any questions or anything, leave in the comments, or if you just thought it was cool, leave it in the comments too. But yeah, thanks for watching. That's it. That's all this video is just a fun 4x4 in video. So hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one though. Don't know what it's gonna be, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. And yeah, we'll see you then. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.